15 minutes or less, let's eat.
Hey, we're cooking. This is bacon ranch and chicken buffalo style on ciabatta bread. Delicious.
All right, so get your chicken. I like chicken breast, and I like boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Today I'm using a thigh. Thighs stay really, really moist. They're easy to cook. Takes about 12, 13 minutes in the air fryer. So does chicken breast, but just whatever you've got in the refrigerator. I just happen to have the boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Clean them up. Get that little gristle, get that little fat, get that little skin off of them. It ain't getting eaten. All right, now it's simple. Get that chicken cooked. Chop up your celery and make the celery kind of big, not huge. Don't make it little because you want some crunch in there because it's going to be a pretty thick, big sandwich. Also, your ciabatta bun, toast it twice on bagel. That means it's just gonna heat up the outside. And then let's assemble this sucker and dish and enjoy it. It's delicious, I promise you.
Delicious. That just fell all over my floor. That is oh, so good. That cool ranch with those fresh cut celery on there. It gives it the crunch, the coolness, and then you got that salty bacon, and then you bite into the chicken, perfectly air fried, and it's crispy on the outside, and then it's topped with that buffalo sauce, creamy, tangy, and all those, it just combined in your mouth, and it's so delicious. Ciabatta bread is crunchy on top, soft on the middle. Sometimes, Kev, cooking, I don't care who you are, that's a good sandwich.